This exercise is the upper body rolling pattern where we're actually just going to hold the end position and breathe. All you need to do is lay on the floor. Now, the starting position, you're going to pretend that from the waist down, you are paralyzed and you can't feel any muscles activate in your legs, okay? We're just going to use the upper body. Both arms start over your head. Arm comes up, head comes up. You're going to pretend like you're going to reach and roll over onto your stomach without using your legs. You may feel your legs, your quad muscles want to contract or your legs jump. Try to keep them off the entire time as you reach and roll. And from here, we're just gonna breathe. In through the nose, big inhale, and a nice full exhale through the mouth. We're gonna do 5 breaths, holding that separation, and then we're just gonna relax. We do the same thing on the exercise, or on the other side, but that is the separation, hold with breathing for flexion.